Bonjour dear kids, my name is Rupali, your EVS teacher from Elite American Corporate School, Patiala. So, what we did in last lecture? Yes, we have covered some festivals like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Eid and Gurupurab. And today we are going to learn Onam, Pongal and other national festivals.
Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated in the month of January. The celebrations last for 4 days. People wear new clothes and decorate their houses. A sweet dish called Pongal is cooked with jaggery. Children and adults enjoy eating sugarcane during the festival. Cows are worshipped on Pongal. Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated for 10 days. Thiruvanam, the 10th day of Onam, is considered to be the most important day of the festival. People wear new clothes. They decorate their houses with floral designs called Pokalams. They also prepare a special feast called the Onam Sadhya. Many varieties of payasam, a sweet dish, are prepared specially during Onam. Boat races are also held during Onam. Special boats called snake boats take part in these races. People enjoy watching these boat races. National festivals. In India, we celebrate 3 national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day. On 26 January, we celebrate our Republic Day. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in New Delhi. School children in colorful dresses take part in the parade. Some children are given in the National Bravery Awards. Independence Day. We celebrate our Independence Day on 15 August every year. It was on this date many years ago that we became free. Independence Day celebrations are held at the Red Fort in New Delhi. We remember all those people who struggled hard for the freedom of our country. Gandhi Jayanti. 2 October is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate this day as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi helped us get freedom from the British rule. On 2 October, the whole country remembers Bapu.
Okay students, now your homework is do the back exercise except question answers in your textbook itself and do question answers